Document tabled by the Kingston and St Andrew Football Association, KSAFA, ahead of Tuesday's quarterly board meeting of the Jamaica Football Federation, JFF. In the document, which states the views of KSAFA, its club and the council, the JFF's proposal to revamp local football next season is seen as an act driven by parochialism.
Not all stakeholders are in favour of the JFF proposal of moving to a two-tier professional league in a few months' time, and KSAFA is one of them. According to the 12-page document obtained by TVJ Sports, KSAFA states that they will always accept the challenge and responsibility of assessing the current state to create a better future. However, they are disappointed at the continuing effort of tinkering with the configuration of football, which in many cases may be construed as driven by parochialism. Some of the challenges that are listed ahead of the new season deals with the ability to field players for 30 professional clubs, financial resources which sees the Premier League struggling to finance its operations, and a second tier which will likely cost more money to operate. According to KSAFA, there is not enough infrastructure and COVID-19 will make it worse as it relates to government assistance. KSAFA believes that a proper plan with reasonable timelines would achieve better results. They added that the proposals were not based on any serious analysis or thought, and the recommendation will only impose on clubs additional financial burden over the next 3 to 12 months without regard for source funding and guaranteeing financial return. KSAFA say there should be no far-reaching plans without full discussion with clubs across the island, as this will allow for greater input of the football constituents. They argue anything else would be allowing franchising through the back door, which must be rejected. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.